Hi, this is Rochelle, and I'm going to share this little bundle of ephemera or embellishments that I put together to go with one of my journals. This bundle is set to go with the Life 101 journal once it's purchased, but I just wanted to share some of the kinds of things that you can use in your junk journal or handmade journal. So first off, I have it tied together with a piece of crochet trim, and of course you can use this in your journal. And it's also wrapped with a piece of this natural string, so we're going to unwrap that. So it's a pretty good length. Okay, so you have the string and the crochet trim. Let's tuck this out the side. This is just a little recipe card. It's already been inked, and this is for ripe tomato sauce. But this is some digital ephemera that I print and cut and inked. This is a gold heart doily. Let's keep everything in order. Then I have this card that's stamped with "This book belongs to." It's a piece of cardstock. Then this was a quick little tag that I made with some tea or coffee stained paper, butterfly, a little sentiment that says nurture, and a botanical graphic with a tag that's hooked on, that's been inked as well, and it has a garment pen on that can be used in your journal. And then this is a Project Life card. It's natural neutral colors. This is like a seed or garden envelope that is actually from Target. I had a package of them from Target. And then inside the envelope, let's take everything out. I have a good length of a satin ribbon that's I guess it's like a rose gold type pinky color, maybe, I don't know. Then we have a piece of lace trim, just a small piece. So if you receive something like this, you would use a Fabri-Tac or a glue that works with a fabric and paper and glue it on. If you use it in some other project, of course you could sew it however you choose to do it. So then we have some photo corners, and these are silver. And we have a vintage style envelope, small envelope. It's probably like 2 by 3, I think. This was a type of journaling card, decorative die cut card. This isn't really vintage, but I thought it was kind of cute, and you could easily ink it up and make it look a little more vintage. But this is just a little girl graphic on a little baggie, and even if you didn't want to use her, you could turn it over and use it from the other side. And then we have a craft tag with a gold foil heart with like a burlap type string for the pull. I guess I had this upside down. This is a Project Life card, neutral colors. This is from a set of tags that I think I picked up from Tuesday Morning, and it's just a plain tag with some dictionary type text on one side. Have a craft tag, that's a circle tag, and a little journaling spot or journaling card, decorative, and that's it. So all of this was in the envelope, and then this was stacked on top. So I'm going to put this back together. Okay, so there we have it. This is what it looks like. It's I didn't want to do it too tight because I don't want to bend the card that's on the front. And that's it. It will go in the package with the journal once it's purchased. And I just wanted to come on and share that. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Also, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the little gray bell so that you'll receive notification each time I upload a new video. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them below. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.